So Asafa Powell said what he said. I mean, no any response or reaction to anything that Asafa says or does. Asafa Nation, them very sensitive and are easily offended. So me expect them to come out swinging in defense of Asafa. But me a chance it. At age 39, Asafa Powell says he's yet to decide if he's going to retire, which means he could conceivably continue to compete at the highest level. Now, at the risk of being accused of trying to tear down Asafa, the Maverick would like to posit that I don't think Asafa Powell at 39 should be even thinking of continuing to compete. Asafa has had a great career, could be greater with some individual titles, but Safa was world record holder twice in the 100 meters. He's still the man with the most sub-10 clockings ever. Now that alone is a pretty decent legacy. Why would Asafa want to embarrass himself against some sprinters who are half his age? The view now hereby expressed by me, the Maverick, is that sprinting is a young people's game and Asafa must leave it alone. Thank you. Thank you. It's not tear down. Thank you very much.